joining a little chit chat get ready with me for this blushed look, so I hope you guys like it. I'm going to apply a primer. I know a lot of people use the 𝘀𝐻𝗆 Watermelon Dewdrops as primer. I got a sample of it in my Sephora package, so I'm just gonna try it as a primer for this look. So basically I started journaling and it was mostly an excuse to buy another journal. I kind of want to stick in things from my life in there, like pictures or like ticket stubs and stuff like that. I know there's fragrance in this, so I was kind of expecting a really strong smell, but it's not that strong. Now I'm just gonna color correct like usual. But I was thinking for the journal, I kind of want to put a photo of myself, like a photo booth photo of myself, in the beginning of like each month. Because I think it'll be cute to look at the changes over time as I flip through the journal. I don't know. But I'm also hoping it gets me to go out more. Since I'm the type of person that I don't really like going out by myself, so I just never go out. I'm just going in with the pot concealer to cover any blemishes in my dark circles. I'm gonna wipe off the excess concealer on my brush and then blend out the edges. I'm just not one of those people that can just go out and do things on my own. Like if I want to watch a movie, I have to have a friend come with me. I can't just go on my own. And whenever I see people who can do those things by themselves, I'm kind of jealous because you get to do so many things because you aren't waiting for someone to do them with you. Now I'm just gonna take my damp beauty blender again and blend out the edges better. So I feel like I miss going to these fun events or shows because I just don't have people to go with. So hopefully things like this makes me more comfortable being out by myself. Now I'm gonna apply a semi-matte foundation with a spatula. I also want to go to 𝗺𝗀 Cake because they opened recently and the cake and the coffees look so good. The lines there on the weekend are like 2 hours and there's also no place to park. So I think I'm just gonna drive by and see the state of the lines. And if it's too long, I'm just not gonna go. I'm gonna use a cream contour to contour my nose and the rest of my face. Now I'm just gonna go over the contour with the powder. I'm gonna highlight the tip of my nose and my nose bridge with a lighter concealer. The areas under my eyes, my chin, and the center of my forehead right here, I want to be brighter. So I'm gonna set that area with the lavender powder. The rest of my face I'm just going to set with a regular translucent powder. Now I'm going to apply a neutral color all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to apply a light pink shade on the inner and outer part of my eyes. I'm also going to apply the color to my under eye. Now with the brown, I'm going to shade in the area that I'm going to apply eyeliner. The weather is a little gloomy today and it was drizzling a little bit, and I'm hoping because of that less people are going to be lining up for the coffee and cake. Now I'm also going to apply the brown under my eye. Now I'm going to apply a pale glitter on the center of my eyelids. And then I'm applying a chunkier glitter just so that we have a mix of sizes. Taking an angled brush, I'm going to redraw my inner corner. And then I'm going to use the same color to draw my 𝐾𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐥𝐬. Now I'm going to draw my eyeliner using a black liquid liner. gonna draw my eyebrows, and I'm going to keep the ends a little curved. Now I'm applying a mascara primer and curling my lashes. Now I'm going to apply mascara at the tips of my lashes and then the base. I'm trying to film like the video and my TikToks at the same time, and it's kind of a struggle. Now I'm going to do my lower lashes, and I'm going to slide my brush back and forth so that it clumps together. Now I'm taking a heated toothpick to keep my lashes curled. I'm also going to press down on my lower lashes so that they aren't sticking up a lot. Now taking a lighter concealer again, I'm going to brighten up my under eyes. Now I'm going to apply blush right under my under eyes right here. I'm also taking a lighter pinker blush color just so that the blush is a little more dimensional. Taking an angled brush and a brown color, I'm going to shade my lips so that they look a little plumper. Now I'm taking the leftover foundation on my sponge and putting it on my lips. I'm just going to set that with the powder so that the foundation doesn't mix in with my lip color. Now taking a lip crayon, I'm going to overline my lips and then fill them in about halfway. Now I'm taking a lip gloss and applying it all over. I'm actually going to wipe out the lip gloss in the middle and then apply a darker pink color and then apply it on top. And that's it for this look.